Set along the quiet edge of an ecological reserve in San Isidro, Argentina, ATO House begins not with architecture, but with observation. Before any walls were drawn, the site already carried its own rhythm, mature trees casting layered shadows, an aging pool holding memories of past use, and even a subtle trail used by turtles migrating from the nearby wetlands. It's the kind of place where nature isn't a backdrop, it's the main character. Instead of reshaping the land, the architects chose to work with it. The design emerges from a simple but powerful idea: coexistence. Rather than clearing the site or imposing a rigid structure, the house adapts itself to what already exists, allowing the natural environment to remain active and present. It's less about building on the land, and more about building within it. At ground level, the house deliberately steps back. This lower layer is open, shaded, and porous, blurring the line between inside and outside. There are no strict thresholds here, just a continuous flow between architecture and landscape. It feels less like entering a home and more like stepping into a protected clearing beneath the trees. As you move upward, the experience shifts. The main living spaces are lifted into the canopy, where branches, filtered light, and open air become part of everyday life. From this elevated position, the house captures both views and breezes, creating a sense of calm detachment from the ground below, almost like inhabiting a modern tree house. The spatial organization is surprisingly minimal. Just 3 concrete walls anchor the entire structure, supporting the upper levels while subtly dividing the interior. This simplicity allows the home to remain flexible over time, accommodating changes in lifestyle without needing to redefine its core structure. Without perimeter columns, the floor plans remain open and uninterrupted. This structural choice creates a sense of lightness. Spaces feel expansive, even when they are intimate. Movement through the house is fluid, guided more by light, air, and views than by rigid boundaries. The facade plays a quiet but essential role. Openings are carefully positioned, not just to frame views, but to regulate sunlight and ventilation throughout the day. Instead of relying heavily on mechanical systems, the house uses passive strategies, letting nature do much of the work. Above it all, the roof becomes something unexpected. Rather than acting as a final layer, it transforms into a living surface, planted with native and edible species. Over time, birds and insects interact with it, carrying seeds and extending the surrounding ecosystem upward. The architecture doesn't stop at the roof, it continues to grow. Sustainability here isn't an add-on, it's integrated into the DNA of the project. Geothermal systems, solar panels, and layered facade strategies operate quietly in the background, supporting a more balanced way of living. It's technology used with restraint, always in service of comfort and environmental harmony. In the end, ATO House doesn't try to stand out. It chooses instead to belong. It invites a slower way of living, one that's more attentive to light, to seasons, and to the subtle presence of nature. And in doing so, it offers a quiet reminder: sometimes the most powerful architecture is the one that knows when to step aside.